Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE watch K1 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the middle button right here and keep holding it until the watch reboots. So it takes about, I believe, 10 seconds. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. Once you see the ZTE logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And once you see this on the screen, tap Next, Start, and you should see the home screen, which means the watch is done rebooting, and that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.